Hey fellas, just a quick rundown on how the Time app can work if we use it to our advantage. So we click on the Time app, we find the time, no prizes for that. You find yourself, and there's the jobs, nothing new there. So I'll pick on this job here, and you're familiar with the start there. You also should be familiar with the camera and should be taking photos all the time. Another thing that we'd love to see you do to help in the office in particular, but also to help yourselves, if you click on those little lines there, it'll bring up the actual job we're doing, the job sheet. Now, this is a guide only. Your supervisors may well say, do this extra or don't do that, whatever. Always take their information on board first. But as a guide, if you're in the panel shop and the bull bar's got to come off, once it's done, you simply click on it and it goes green. You know it's done. We know it's done. Everybody knows it's done. Same with the door. Right, we can go down into the paint section, and it may well be that you mix and match in booth or the house, who cares? But the door, once it's painted in and out, just mark it off. Right? You might have other things you've got to do. Again, keep checking with your supervisor just to double sure. This is a way. This, when it goes green, it signals for the people in the office that have got to do the important bit, which is collect the money. It makes their job a lot more efficient, a lot better. So if we can get everybody just simply marking them on and off as they go, when it's finished, you simply touch on it and it goes green. So it's just a great little reminder. Also with the pass, the boys can do that. And then down the bottom here, we have the sublets. So again, once the sublet's been done, we can simply mark it off. If it's not done, well, we know. So thank you.